Yo, what's up guys? Our video today is all about a product review of the security camera that I have here. Couple of months ago, I was trying to look for a security camera that I'm going to use here. At the same time, BLURAMS reached out to me if I could give a product review of their security camera, and then I said, yeah, why not? Here it is, we're going to do a product review. When I was looking for a security camera before, there are two things that I was looking into: the pricing and the features. What are the features that this security camera can do? Is it going to be affordable? How are we going to use and install this one to our phone and our computer? We'll jump in, let's go back in time, quickly unbox this one and start to set it up, try to see the features that are built into this device. Wow, that was a quick unboxing. Now grab your phone, fire up Google Play and search for BLURAMS in Play Store. So install this app because this is the app for the security camera so that we can control it to our phone and configure this one. So this will be a quick download because it's a very small file. At first we do not have an account, so we need to create an account. Email address. Okay, and then of course our password. Okay, and then you need to check your email, confirm that, and you'll be directed to the app of BLURAMS. So you add your device, look for that. For me it's Dome Light 2. Now we need to connect this one to our Wi-Fi. So my Wi-Fi SSID is searching and I need to type the password. Next thing that will appear is the QR code. You need to face this one to the camera and then you'll hear a beep sound. There you go. That means the camera read that QR code and they are connected.
Wi-Fi connection. Configuration is complete. Please wait for the camera online.
Okay. We're going to wait. That's 100%. And yuha. There you go. Let's close that and give this device a name so we can add many devices to this app and we can control it to this one app only. There you go. Open this one and then voila. Let's try to control the 360 feature. There you go. It's cool. Dance with me. How cool is that? Okay, so this can spin at 360 and it can go up and down. So that's pretty cool feature here. Next up we want to see are the library or the recordings that this app has been recording. So they'll be piled up here and we can scroll down. We can also sort by motion, by sound, by events. So those are the recordings. Next up we want to see is the night vision feature of this security camera. So I'm going to turn off all the lights and let's try to see. There you go. All my lights are off. Let's try to see my face. Very cool. Give me a thumbs up, bro. Okay. Another feature is the notification in alerts. So first notification I have is motion detection. So if the camera detected a motion, it will give us a notification. Second notification I got is sound detection. That's pretty cool. There are other features like smart AI, but we cannot test this one right now. So if you can see, it will have a memory of all the face detection that it had, and it will keep this one in memory and try to identify if this person is a stranger or not. But it basically needs 30 days of recording so that the software can gather and compile those images, actions to predict the identity of a person. Well, these are very cool features, but I haven't yet tried these things because, yeah, like what I've said, it needs 30 days. So maybe later on I can give you a feedback via the comments, or I don't know, you can ask me after 30 days Okay, next up, let's try to use our PC, log in here and try to control the security camera. So this will work both on your mobile and your computer. So go ahead, log in with the same credentials we created with the phone. Just locate the login page for the BLURAMS and click on My Device. There you go. Our device is listed here. There you go. And let's enter YouTube Studio. That's the name of my device that we set up earlier. There you go. And we can also try to control this one with the controller on the web browser. Here we go. There you go. It can turn, baby. Cool. Yeah. Let's try to see my laptop in my fingers out here. I'm computer. And yeah, we can also record audio if we want to. The next thing we're going to talk about is the storage. Because if you want it to be saved on the cloud, they are offering a subscription base. But if you don't want that one, there's a micro SD slot here that you can put in that micro SD and save those footage locally in this device. And then you can access them remotely, watch them, review them, monitor them. How about the pricing of this device? Let's go and check it on Amazon. So this is priced at $39.99. And given with all the features that we can use with this device, I believe this is a very good price for it. You can check the links that I have in the description below. Amazon, Lazada, Shopee, and BLURAMS if you want to know more about this device and check more about the features of it. I will give you one disadvantage or drawback of this device. Honestly, you cannot use this one without internet connection because all the configuration runs through the internet to your phone. Now, if you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up. If you are not yet subscribed, help me make a dream of 100,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching, and I hope I will see you on my next video. Goodbye.